Welcome. In front of me is Oppo Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your PIN code. So, if you forgot your PIN code, the best decision would be to contact Oppo customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example using a receipt, then they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your device without removing any data from it. Now, the alternative way to solve this problem is by performing a factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your device, but it will also surely let you regain access to it. So in order to do this, you can either use a Find Hub service by Google, which you can access using any other device with internet connection. So ensure that you have the internet connection, then go to your web browser on any other device, then search for Find Hub service, sign into it using your Google account that is linked with this phone, and then select this phone on the list of all devices and select factory reset operation in order to erase all data from your phone. Once the data is erased, you'll be able to set it up as a new device, and after that you'll be able to regain access to your phone once again. Now, alternative way to perform a factory reset is by using recovery mode, and if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on this phone, then you can check the entire video on our channel that will explain everything step by step, so you will surely do everything correctly and will again be able to use your device once you set it up again. Now, if you do remember your PIN code, or maybe you just mistaken it with your SIM card PIN code, well, if you mistaken it with your SIM card PIN code, which is a common occurrence and it's okay and it happens all the time, then just try entering the PIN code, the security PIN code that you set up for yourself. And in case it doesn't work for you in this menu, so on this window, just press the power button and the volume up key at the same time and select restart option. Then wait until you see the Oppo logo once again and wait for about 3 to 4 seconds before starting pressing the volume down button. So once you see the Oppo logo, start holding down the volume down key after a couple of seconds and hold it down like this and wait until your phone vibrates slightly. Once you feel the vibration of your phone, you can release the volume down button, and this way you will enter the safe mode. And once you enter the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom right to the left corner of your screen. And in the safe mode, there are no third-party applications that affect the way that your lock screen behaves, so your phone is less likely too. And you can try entering your PIN code once again, and just if you succeed, go to settings, then go to security and privacy settings and select device unlock and go to screen lock option, then enter your PIN code once again and select turn off password and enter your password once again to confirm. Then you have to simply restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key once again and selecting restart. And once your device restarts, you'll be able to use it once again, you will surely regain access to your phone if you are able to proceed through the previous steps. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.